I'm here at the same place that I was yesterday buying artwork, and yeah, I basically came here because today I'm gonna be going to a waterfall. It's called Salto de Limon, and I have 1 hour to kill. The tour starts at 11 o'clock and it's just now after 10, so I have 1 hour to kill. And the guy that I came here to buy artwork, he's close to the place that I'm going from, and so I decided to come and spend the 1 hour here and see how he does his artwork, because he's gonna start painting a new painting today, and I'm quite intrigued with his artwork. And I asked him if I can sit here, and he said yeah, so I was able to join him. So I'm gonna be doing some footage of him and his artwork, and I'm super excited.
Revienta mi corazón de tanto amor que me brindas. Linda, linda, baby, eres tú. Beautiful, tan bella como una flor. Son sus ojos, sus labios. La quiero porque ella es beautiful. Oh, tan bella como una flor. Me gusta beautiful, tan bella. Iluminante es tu belleza y tú entera. Bon Production, a la fucking music. ¿Y sabes quién? Tu melodía del cielo. Lo más lindo que ha pasado. 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 Lo más lindo. O sea, te quiero mucho. Qué linda tu mirada, qué linda tu sonrisa, qué lindo es tu caminar. Beautiful.
La melodía del cielo.
Belleza y tan bella, imaginaba que ella iba a ser para mí. Dejo pensativo, un poco enloquecido, desde el momento en que la vi. Oh, tan bella como una flor, son sus ojos, sus labios. La quiero porque ella es beautiful. Oh, tan bella como una flor. Me gusta beautiful. Bella, es espectacular. Hermosa, está fuera de lo normal. Mi guía eres tú, de norte a sur. Amor de mis amores, revienta mi corazón de tanto amor que me brindas. Linda, linda, baby, eres tú. Beautiful, tan bella como una flor. Son sus ojos, sus labios. La quiero porque ella es beautiful. Oh, tan bella como una flor. Me gusta beautiful.
¿Está vivo? ¿No estás seguro? Guys, where did the guy go? Yo no lo veo. Ah! Woo!
Iluminante es tu belleza y tú entera. Bon Production, I love fucking music. ¿Y sabes quién? Tu melodía del cielo. Lo más lindo que ha pasado. 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 Lo más lindo.
So guys, here I am at the colonial zone here in Santo Domingo, and every single time I take off my camera, so like, you know, I'm recording and stuff like that, you have these guys just like hollering at me, and I just wish that I could just have my camera on when they do it, because here in Santo Domingo, every guy hollers, like whether he's old, whether he's young, whether you're with somebody, whether they're with somebody, they just throw out words, you know. And the crazy thing is, they always address you by your color. So it's like morena or something like that. It's either by your color or something like a body feature of yours. So it's like if you're fat, they would call you like gorda. If you're skinny, they'll call you like flaquita, those kind of things, you know. And it's kind of annoying, especially when somebody old enough to be a grandfather does it. But the colonial zone is a very beautiful place, and they have an old timer that I'm spotting right now, and I think I'm gonna just show y'all. I'm hoarse again, but let me show y'all. And I can't turn the camera, that's the thing, but here you go, old timer. It's crazy how many tourists they have here right now.
No, quédate, fuera de ahí. Quédate ahí. A las 6 de la tarde.
Eso mismo yo iba a hacer con mi madre.
Esa es funciona con la sombra. Mientras va, cuando va a salir.
¿Qué fue?
Porque más